How to pair up the Apple Airpods with a Oppo phone and get the pop-up animation with this particular app. Let's get started. So first things first, let's go ahead and get our AirPods connected with our phone. And to do this, at the back of the case, there is this button that you'll hold down and hold it down until you see this soft white blinking light. That means you've gotten the AirPods into pairing mode, and keep the case lid open at all times until it's fully connected. So you want to keep the case lid open. And next up, on your Oppo phone, you'll use the quick panel access. Look for the Bluetooth settings, long press it, and turn it on from here. It'll start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the AirPods show up here one time, and you will select it. If you see the pairing prompt, go ahead and select pair. And just in case it doesn't connect the first time, you'll just simply repeat this process again so that it can connect the second time around. As you can see, there is some difficulties here of the AirPods trying to connect right now. So if this happens, just go ahead and repeat the process again, or just simply turn off and on the Bluetooth settings and then re-enter the AirPods into pairing mode once again so that you can get them to show up and connect. If you have to do it a second time around and to know that it's fully connected, you want to make sure that it says in use for calls and media, not just calls or not just media only. Okay, so make sure it says for calls and media. That means it's fully connected and ready to use. Next up, if you don't have the app known as Andropods, check it out from the Play Store. You can get it for free, install it, and once you open it up for the first time, you'll see this here. Select Show Overlays, and you'll look for the Andropods. Turn on the switch here, go back, and for location, of course, you'll need your location to be enabled for this to work, and you want to go with while using the app. And once you've done that, you'll be able to turn on the Activate Service function, and you can choose between the models depending on which AirPods you have selected. So the one I have is the AirPods 2 in this video here. And now that it's all set, let's go ahead and pop open the case lid for my AirPods, and you should see the pop-up animation like this. If it doesn't show up like this, or you might not see the battery percentage show, go ahead and restart your phone, as this happened to me. And after restarting the phone, the percentage started to show. All right, so that's that for this video tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out. And let me know in the comments section. So do hit that like, share, sub, and enjoy your Oppo phone with AirPods and pop-up animation. Thanks for watching.